Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is Thursday. I have been uploading on Thursdays at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So if you've missed any videos, go ahead back and check up on those. Today I have some fall home decor DIYs to share with you, and I'm really excited because I did picture frame theme for these with lots of Dollar Tree supplies to just create some really cute, fun, affordable home decor for fall. So I hope you guys will enjoy these fall DIYs. Let me know which one of these is your favorite, if you think you might recreate any of these. Also, I hope you will consider subscribing before you go. If you haven't already, I would love to have you here. I upload every Thursday at 6 p.m. Eastern time with more home decor. Of course, now it's kind of going to be fall DIYs for a little while, but I'll probably throw a few thrift flips in there. Let me know if you guys want to see some like thrift flip pieces as well, or if I should just kind of do fall stuff for now. What kind of stuff do you guys want to see? Let me know. For the first one, I am taking one of these frames. It's actually more of a frame decor piece from Dollar Tree, but you can definitely, use a picture frame, even if the bottom part of this little tray thing that we're going to make is going to be glass. You can just paint over the glass. So you can use a picture frame. You can use any of their other like framed art pieces. There are a lot of options in Dollar Tree for $1. So I love the wooden edge that these have. I think it's really pretty. I'm going to just pull off and remove those little floral foam flowers, pull off the little foam, and then I'm just going to paint the entire bottom with my metallic copper chalk paint. I really like this one. I'm actually almost out of it. I've used almost this whole jar. It does last me for quite a while, but I love this color, really feeling into it, especially for fall this year. Which, comment and let me know what colors or color are you feeling like most inspired by for fall this year. I'm gonna just add little feet on here, gluing on one little wooden cube in each corner underneath. I think these are just gonna make a nice little riser for our tray. For the center, you can use 2 or 3 of these wooden square pencil holders, and I'm gonna be adding some flameless candles on top. I love these LED candles, and I will give away a set of them in this video if you guys want to enter. I gave away a set last month, and you know what? With the holidays coming, I'm gonna give away another one. I know everyone loves candles in the fall time, and I love the flicker on these, so I'll let you know later in this video how to enter. Anyway, I'm going to now just fill in around the tray and use some little like pumpkin floral branches from Dollar Tree, some of these little tiny fabric pumpkins, add in some little faux berries, anything that you want, just add it in for a little decoration around the bottom of your candles here. And I just think this looks so pretty. I love how it turned out for my fall decor. The next one is also using one of these wooden framed art pieces from Dollar Tree, and for this one I'm going to actually pull it apart, and I'm just going to use 2 pieces from the frame. I'm going to use the 2 shorter ones, but I'm definitely saving the longer ones for another DIY that I have in mind in the future. I used some scissors to kind of pull out the little metal clasps, so I just have a smooth piece of wood now. All right, so again, I am taking 3 of the wooden square pencil holders, just mixed a little antique wax in with some water and kind of created my own little DIY stain. You can obviously use any kind of wood stain. You can paint these. You can also just mix some brown acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, mix it in with a little water, and you'll have your own little DIY stain. So I just wanted to darken them just a touch. I basically wanted them to match the coloring of the wood that was already on those frames. Glue your 3 boxes together in a row, and now I'm going to take 2 of those little frames. You can use the shorter or the longer end, whatever works for you, and take 2 of them, and I'm going to glue them sticking up like a little triangle here. So just a little hot glue on each end, and then I added a little bit down in the center here. And you can go ahead and fill these with any fall florals. You can use fall leaves. I mean, you could fill them with pumpkins or whatever you like. You can even use some stones down in there and then add some succulents in the top. So really, whatever you like. I thought these looked really pretty, and this kind of looks like a boho fall decor to me. I feel like it looks kind of mid-century modern or boho. I love the modern feel of this one. the next one, this one is also using one of these frames. So I promise you guys, they're not all using these. I have some other ideas for you, but this is what I had a bunch of on hand. And like I said, again, you can use any kind of picture frame or other frame from Dollar Tree to make these DIYs. So for this one, I decided to actually keep the message that says "Make today amazing." Dollar Tree has lots of little framed art pieces that have little quotes and sayings. So you could pick anything you like. I removed those little foam flowers and then just kind of gave it a little white paint on there just to kind of blend out the background. I am gluing flowers on top, so you don't really have to do that, but I already had some paint, so why not? Now I'm taking some florals that I had just kind of laying around, some fall stuff, some random little leaves that I had extra laying around, and just layering them in here. I thought about adding in the orange pumpkins, but then I thought these little velvet ones were just way too bright, and this is a more muted, neutral, softer toned piece of fall decor. So I actually ended up using one of these darker orange pumpkins that came off of one of the pumpkin floral picks that Dollar Tree has in with their fall florals. And that's all there was to this, just kind of arranging it however you like. You can add in little pine cones if you want, but so cute, really pretty for fall, especially if you can find one that has a little inspirational message that you like. I love how this one turned out. For the next one, I'm taking a Dollar Tree frame. The one I had on hand was an 11 by 14 size, but this would literally work with any size picture frame, and Dollar Tree has a whole variety. I think it's going to make more of a statement piece though if you're doing it with a larger frame, and to be honest, you could probably even do this on a canvas and not have a frame, but I do think that having the picture frame, the frame is going to give it a little bit neater of an edge. So I'm gonna go ahead now and glue some ribbons diagonally onto this glass. I'm using a little hot glue on the ends to glue the fabric around the back of the glass, and this is going to be a piece of decor, a really unique and custom piece of decor for fall. You could obviously do this one for any time of year, but I'm going to use a lot of fall inspired ribbons. Dollar Tree has lots of fall ribbons you can choose from, larger sizes, smaller, narrower ribbons, you know, whatever works for you. And if you have other ribbon on hand, you know, you can always just incorporate that too. Like I'm going to use some leopard ribbon because I had one of those I really liked. I had this burlap one that had the rhinestone edge thing on here. I thought that was really cool. It's left over from Christmas a couple years ago. So I'm just gonna kind of pull in whatever I have, whatever looks good that's gonna fit with my fall decor and my fall colors this year, and kind of just layer and overlap your ribbons. One thing that might make it easier is rather than gluing these onto a piece of glass is if you just bought a canvas in the same size as your frame. So for example, I could glue these onto an 11 by 14 canvas and then stick the canvas with the ribbon on it inside of my 11 by 14 frame. So I'll have a framed canvas that has all the ribbons. I think that's like a little better and a little safer. Or to be honest, you could even glue these all onto a piece of cardboard if you can cut out a piece of scrap cardboard and then just frame that. Glue all your ribbons on it, frame the cardboard or foam board. You know, so many options with this, and you can really customize it with whatever colors are gonna work with your fall decor. So it looks totally messy and random from the back, but nobody's gonna see that part. And then from the front, I think it looks really neat, really cool and creative, and definitely a way to like tie in and coordinate different fall colors. Just pick ribbons that you like, how they look together, and have fun. Now this one is again using another one of these rectangle signs with the wooden edge. Like I said, I had like 5 or 6 of these and I really love them. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. Now this is totally good for any time of year. This is really not a fall piece, but hey, I'm making fall decor and I'm gonna use it in my fall decor, but I'm probably gonna use it year round because it's really nice. I had a piece of marble paper, and so I'm gonna cut that out and stick that in there and make a little tray here, stick the marble paper down inside the frame, and then I added these little table tennis balls from the toy section in Dollar Tree and hot glued those on like little feet, little pedestal riser feet for our tray. Love how this one turned out. I love the colors. I think it looks so pretty. Obviously, because this is like a paper lined tray, you don't want this tray getting wet, but you could use it to put jewelry or rings on, to style some decor. You could place like your LED battery candles on here, and it's really cute and just an adorable little piece of decor for, you know, just like $1.50 and a piece of paper. Now for the next one, we're gonna take these two picture frames. I have a 4x6 and a 5x7. So I wanted to paint the edges of both of these rose gold, so I took some of Dollar Tree's masking tape and pressed that down to cover the center of the frame so that I could spray paint these with some copper spray paint. I love the design of this one. Whether you paint it or you just leave it as is, the design is really pretty on this particular frame, I think. So I used some chalk paint on here to just brighten it up so I can have white and brown and like copper, rose gold. I think it's going to go perfectly with my fall decor. Once that is all dry, I'm using a little hot glue around that inside edge of the 5x7, and then I just place my 4x6 frame right on top of that. Now I was trying to figure out which picture I wanted to put in here. What would you guys put in here? I was kind of undecided if I wanted to do a picture of like a family picture. Of course, we don't have Kimchi. Our second dog is not in this picture, so I feel like he's missing. But I love the family picture. I do really like this picture of me with the girls on the railroad track. I think that one came out so pretty. But then again, I have this one with just the two girls when we went apple picking, and so I think that one turned out really nice. I love the colors for fall, so I might go with that one. Which one do you think would look best in here? Let me know down below. But I'm also going to add a little sticker, which this is totally optional, and maybe it makes it look more cheesy. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I add this sticker or not? I didn't press it on very hard. I just kind of placed it there, and because it's sticky, it just stuck right onto the frame. I think it makes a cute little accent or addition to the frame, and actually, hopefully I'll be able to just kind of take it off at the end of the season, and I can use this basic frame. It's really pretty and it will fit with any decor year round. I love the colors. I love how it turned out. So I wanted to do another candle giveaway for you guys this month. I have these candles all around the house. I use them all the time. I love the fact that this trio of candles comes with the 3 different heights. They are battery operated. They have a timer. They have a remote control, and you know, they're just LED battery operated candles. So they're flameless and just safe to use around kids, pets, all of that. And then they have a timer. So, you know, you can just have them go on every day at the same time, and you can control how long you want them to be on and off for. So I love this set of candles. I think they have a really realistic flicker. And so I wanted to give away another set this month to you guys. Just go ahead and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, Style My Sweets, give this video a thumbs up. And then number 3, comment the phrase down below, candles make everything cozier. That way I will know you want to enter. Candles make everything cozier. They really do. For the fall and winter, I love having candles. So hopefully this way you guys can get the candles as well. And I probably will continue to do like give away a set every month. But this giveaway, like I said, will be open through the end of August. And all of the information is down below in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these picture frame themed fall decor DIYs. Let me know which one was your favorite. As always, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!